keyword research done, content done. Now comes EMD, PMD, brandable, age domain.
Yeah.
What to choose?
The funky ones. No, yeah, that's the funny part. I think it really depends. It really depends on the timeline. So when I was really active on 2 or 3 years ago, I worked mainly on what we call money sites. So that was a clean sites that live for like 5-6 years, even more if needed. And we build backlinks to it. We get like a super big clean stuff. But after, I don't know, 2020, we saw a shift, way more expired domain, way more age domains coming in. So yeah, I used to be more on like classic money sites. It was EMD, but we called it money site because at the end, everything is EMD originally. Expired domains tend to have a good momentum, and recently age domain, but in a spammy way, works crazily well, especially in shady, unregulated markets.
Yeah, just replace the homepage and have the
exactly. You put back everything.
Yeah,
you
and
just put the homepage, 10K words with like best online, whatever.
And same anchor text backlinks and boom, 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 rank.
Exactly. You will burn out the domain. You will explode it for sure. But like GSA blessed to the
That's
stuff.
the example I showed you in the conference. That's what we are also doing, working very well for us.
It's to be honest, right now it's the best strategy, and the crazy stuff, which even make me, for more fear of missing out. The stuff is like, it's easy. It's not that much money invested, and it works well and brings a lot of money. So it's like the ratio. Before, it used to be like you have to put 100K USD, 200K USD to get into it. Now
imagine the domain. You know the domain cost? How much? That domain I showed you.
Yeah, a few thousand perhaps.
1,000.
1,000, exactly. Yeah, that's the crazy stuff. And he's banking right now on his $1,000 domain.
Yeah. So